Today we'll be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 260 different strategies, with 81 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator, and so far since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 149 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,004 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a Forex day trading strategy. So the source video says, this hidden quantum bands of TradingView make money with the most accurate buy-sell signals ever. So a little bit strange in the wording there. And as far as it being the most accurate buy-sell signal indicator ever, I'm going to say probably not true, but we're going to put this to the test nonetheless to see what we can get out of it. And interesting enough, they really love to classify indicators as being hidden and private and secret, and they're not. They're just completely open to the public, to anybody who wants to use them. And so alright, so we hit these two indicators here, and the first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the SMI Stochastic Momentum Index, so on, so on, so on. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and then we're going to jump into the settings on this. We're only going to change some of the styles. So we're going to turn off the signal, the indicator slow, the signal slow, and everything else stays on the default. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the QuantumBands indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings of this one as well. Under the style, we're going to turn off all these right here and this one right here, and jump into the inputs. We're going to change the period to 100 and the multiplier here to 4. Go ahead and click OK, and everything should look as I have on screen now. So what we're looking for a short trade is we're looking for a sell signal from the QuantumBands indicator. And when we get a sell signal, we're looking for a red candle to form at the same time, and then we are looking for the SMI indicator to be in the overbought area, so above this red dashed line. When all those line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a short. Let's set our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this little swing here and target a 1 to 2 risk reward like so. Let's play this forward and see what we get. You can see that we make a pretty quick move down there, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is a buy tag or a buy signal from the QuantumBands indicator. And when we get that buy tag, we're looking for a nice green candle like this one right here at the same time. Then we're going to look down to the SMI indicator, and we want it to be in the oversold position, and so below this dashed green line here. And so when all those line up, that's going to be our signal to enter into a long. I'm going to put our trade there. Again, just put our stop right below this swing here and target this same 1 to 2 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see what we get. There we go, and again, it doesn't take too long before we make the push to the upside to getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. It has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, so let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 15 winning trades and 35 losing trades, putting it at a 30% win rate. So with the 1 to 2 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,000 altogether. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $300 per losing trade. Total drawdown would have been $10,500 for an overall loss of $1,500. So definitely not the most accurate buy-sell signal indicator ever. And so compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator during the same period of time. We did 82 trades altogether. We had 70 winning trades and 12 losing trades, putting it at an 86% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $42,000 altogether. On the losing side, you'd have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $31,200. And so significantly better results all around. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for our Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex Indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. We keep track each week of the trades the Academy of Forex Indicator has signaled. So this last week on the Forex pairs, we had 3 trades altogether, 2 winning and 1 losing. A 66% win rate would have been a gain of $300. The crypto coin, we had 2 trades, 1 winning and 1 losing. A 50% win rate would have been a drawdown of $300. And so for the week, we would have been at $0, just break even. So at our 23-week total now, we would have still been at $38,260 over 192 trades. You can see more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the account here. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex Indicator. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.